Hello everybody, welcome to a brand new video. It's time to relax and just taking off my socks and shoes. I just finished my workout. It's a half a day and then we remove it. It's today wearing white socks. It's smelly and that is very dirty, so I just remove it. First I remove my shoes. Then the other. You feel the smell. It's where that's as socks. You see, it's very dirty. And now let's remove it. Now it's time to remove. Just see that. Feel very relaxing. Just taking off. Just taking off. Okay. See this. You feel smell. So smelly. That's the other one. Now remove it. This one is very dirty and smelly like. See the movements of my feet. My feet are there's damage, so I just decided to apply some petroleum jelly or cream for moisturizing. In next video maybe I try it. Okay guys, this video is finished. Now let's end it. This time is, just say, it's so dirty and white. If this one, see, so dirty, and feet is I want to sell this socks and this shoe. Who want to purchase this? Okay guys.